Hey, this is a two-in-one smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that you can attach to your ceiling, and it is battery operated, so you don't need to worry about connecting wires or anything like that. Now, to take this off, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the backplate so you can activate the battery by pulling out this little plastic tab and then inserting the battery back in. There we go. And then it's just going to take a few moments to calibrate. Once it's done calibrating, it'll let you know the status of the carbon monoxide or smoke level. And then you simply just use the included hardware to attach it to your ceiling. And it does come in a 3-pack here, and it may come in different packs as well. You can test this like once a month just to make sure that it's operational. You should hear some type of alarm as you're testing it. And right now it's reading 0 parts per million of carbon dioxide, which is exactly what we would expect in the bedroom here. So I hope you all found this helpful, and thank you so much for the brand for sending out the sample.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.